Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Dan the Tutor, on a mission to become the world's greatest tutor. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to draw the absolute value if you're given a normal graph. So in other words, if I give us a graph, let's say that looks like this, just a normal parabola, and I want to draw the absolute value of this parabola. Well, as we know, absolute values cannot be negative. So all you have to do is, whenever the graph would go into the negative region, I'm going to draw this as a dotted line first, but I'm just going to do the mirror image of that in the positive direction, and the end result is going to be a graph that looks like this. Goes down, basically bounces there, goes here, and then goes back up. Kind of get this W shape going on. But this is what the graph is going to look like. Now let's just do a couple more examples of this to see what's going on here. For my first example, let's say I have this function right here, and I just want to graph the absolute value of this function. I don't care about what the function is, I just want to find the absolute value. So go ahead, pause the video, give it a try, and when you're ready to see the solution, unpause the video. Okay, so here's what I'm going to say here. First of all, if I want the absolute value, that means wherever it's negative, I just have to do a mirror image in the positive direction. So it's going to look like that. And then my final answer, I'm just going to draw this in one fell swoop. So it's going to look like that, and then like that. And there we go. Very simple. Now let's do another one. This one is going to be harder this time. Let's say I have a graph that passes through multiple times something like this, a cubic function. So once again, give this a try on your own, and when you're ready to see the solution, unpause. Okay, so once again, I'm looking for where the graph is negative, which is here, and I'm just going to draw dotted lines of what it looks like when I'm positive. So there, and then something like that. So then my final answer should look like this, coming down like that, one bunny hop, and then another bunny hop, and then up from there. And there, that's what the graph should look like. And now I just have one more example for today. And this is really the example of why I made this video in the first place. Because I want you to find the absolute value of a function that goes up and down forever, y equals sine of x. So obviously I don't want you to draw the graph going on forever. I just want you to tell me what the graph would look like when I take the absolute value of this function. So go ahead and unpause the video when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, so the idea is wherever I'm negative, I'm just going to make it positive, like that. And what you end up getting is just a function that continuously bunny hops forever, and it just goes on, and it does that in both directions, technically. And so you don't need to draw the ellipses like I did. You can just draw an arrow or just leave it without the arrow, just like a nub at the end. That's fine. But it just looks like we have these series of bunny hops and hills over and over again. And so that's what the function looks like. And if you want to do the same thing with cosine, it's a very similar example. It's just that it starts at this spot, 0, 1, and it does the exact same thing. Again, in both directions. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.